Book 1, Genesis.
Poor Diana. That dreadful elbow injury? How could this happen?
Only insurance is able to cover her slipping on nanners. Has she ever appointed anyone to replace her?
She's a little busy, Cameron.
Who was the club president before her?
Jacob and his puppet Jake Jr. They were very passionate.
He always smelled like bananas.
Guys, can we get back on subject, please?
Should we ask her what to do?
Diana! We need your help!
I meant like on my phone, like calling or texting.
Tell Diana I'm praying for her. I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Okay.
Hey guys!
Hi, Diana!
Hi, we miss you.
I miss you guys too.
Oh, Cristo wanted you to know that he's praying for you.
Tell him not to waste his prayer powers on me. I'm about to get my cast put on.
Hi, Diana. I wanted to see if I could visit you. I need help with my Reagan impression.
Thanks. Sounds fun, I guess, but I'm okay, thank you.
I'll call you another time, okay? I miss you. Bye.
I miss you guys too.
Bye.
Hey Christian, what's up?
God? Is that you?
Yeah, duh.
My friends call me Cristo, if that's what you want. What do you need of me, God? I am your humble servant.
Chill out, man. Your friend Diana is sad, and you should put on a puppet show to make her feel better.
You know about the puppet club?
Yeah, I'm all knowing. That means I know everything anyone's ever done.
Sorry, of course, but what if I'm not able to go through with it? Apparently the last show we didn't do so well. Are you gonna flood the earth again?
Why does everyone always bring that up? Ugh. Yeah, man, you'll go to hell or something. Just put on the freaking puppet show.
Guys, we need to do a puppet show.
I'm not really into public speaking.
But I am.
Me.
We have the puppets, but we don't have a booth or theater to do it at. It seems like a lot of work.
Tea time! Damn redcoats!
Guys, Diana needs this.
You're off your rocker, man. She does not care.
If anyone's off their rocker, it's you. Easy, Jebediah. Come on. Let's lead with love.
That elbow injury was really brutal.
That's exactly why we need to do this show. I bet she's really worried about us right now.
You weren't even there when we talked to her, bruv.
That's because I was talking to God. In the bathroom. Guys, I'm being serious. God was in the mirror. He was wearing a robe. He had a beard. He was very kind, and he was also white, which was really interesting.
God's not white. He's all the colors of rainbows at the same time.
Dude, what? I'm serious. He spoke to me.
Puppet God, we're losing it.
Shut it. You don't even have a mouth.
How are you gonna coordinate this? How are we gonna pay for this?
I'm going to coordinate it. Guys, we need to do this for Diana. And more importantly, for God.
Sorry, guys. I'm agnostic.
I think I have an ointment for that.
Guys, come on.
Alright, let's vote. All not in favor.
All in favor? All right! I did it, God. I will get the money, and I will make sure humanity does not end up like the dinosaurs. Amen.
Book 2. Exodus.
No. Guys, we need to talk about the funding for the show. Anybody got a mom willing to put in some cheddar?
My mom's in Cockfosters.
You didn't say we were the ones putting in the money. You said you could pull it off, Cristo.
If he can't raise the money, then I'll wall him up myself until I'm knee-high in the governor's pocket.
I bet Diana could have helped out with the funding.
I wonder how Sesame Street did it.
Sesame Street is fake. It's not a real street.
Hey, maybe we can ask the church. Oh, they'll loan us money for sure.
That seems unlikely.
Don't worry. Next Monday, I'll see you guys with the money. I won't let you down. You'll see. All hands in for the big cheer. 1, 2, 3.
Woo! Christian, man, this bathroom is funky. Ugh.
It's Cristo.
So what? Christians don't like being called Christian anymore? Well, if you really want to get that funding, look to your pastor, John.
But what if he says no? What if I let down the entire club?
Not my problem, asshole. Just remember, it's for Diana. She needs you, kid.
John. Yeah, you. Come over here. We need money, Pastor. It's an emergency.
Money? For what? No, probably no.
But we need it for the puppet show.
Puppet show? Like the Muppet Show? No, probably not. Unless
what, Pastor?
Unless you made it a story about the Bible. That way, the donation would be tax deductible.
The Bible?
Yeah, you know, the Bible. The scriptures we all use.
Does it matter which story?
No, pick any story you want. Just make sure it's biblically accurate. And if you're having trouble coming up with ideas, I know a guy.
You got it. One Bible story puppet show coming your way.
Hey, kid, hold up. Listen, I'm going to put down my home address on the back of this card. Swing by any time. Just make sure that you knock and announce yourself first. And you know, I look forward to hearing what story you pick.
Hi, Cristo.
You look like a biscuit. I'm gonna eat you up.
Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom.
Uh-huh. Pastor John agreed to give us money for the show. But there is only one catch. Drum roll, please. We get to make a show about the Bible.
Oh,
Man.
this is chuffed. You are cheeky, Cristo. You've gotten me properly gutted with this one. Proper, bruv. Too much religion. Not enough footy.
This blows.
God? Man, you gotta give me a sign, big guy.
Look, Cristo, if God is too busy, we should talk to one of his humble servants, Pastor John.
So, I'm not sure how I'm supposed to... Pastor John!
Oh, hey, kid. Listen, some of my congregation, they still think rock and roll is evil Satan. So let's just keep this between us, huh, kid? You don't have to do the Bible story thing. Look, kid, here's $75.
And God bless Mom and Dad and Nana. And please bless Diana. Amen.
Book 3, Leviticus. Hey there. Today, you will be experiencing a vision of a world in turmoil, cruelty unimaginable, even to my own all-seeing eyes. This vision of the future should serve as a warning to all of us. Welcome to a premonition from Puppet God.
Oh, dang it, that's the second time this week.
God! Sorry, big guy. I mean, gosh. Ever since I rediscovered the Bible and faith, I've been getting these terrible nightmares. I don't think a book has cost me this much trouble since Where's Waldo went to the barber pole factory. Well, you know what they say. God's not your therapist. My last therapist was named Jesus, though.
Hey, buddy. Don't go to sleep yet. I couldn't help but overhear your thoughts, especially from underneath the blanket. First of all, your therapist's name was definitely named Jesus. Secondly, I'm a puppet guy. If you need help finding a puppet, I'm your guy. Or girl, I haven't decided yet.
Jeez, I don't know. It just all felt so familiar. Especially with that gosh damn puppet.
What kind of puppet was it?
I don't know.
Okay, well, let's talk shop. Get down to brass tacks. Was this puppet a trace and cut job? What materials are we thinking? Polyfoam?
What did he look like? What was he wearing?
Let me keep it simple. Did you notice any polyester fiber fill?
I think it was orange felt.
Good night.
Whose puppet was that?
Oh, cheerio!
Hey guys.
Ah, you look terrible. And I've seen you eat 50 oysters in one day.
Look what I got from the priest.
Woo! Big puppet fan, huh?
No, not at all, actually.
Where'd you get that cheddar from?
The church. With the secret money I've been given for maintaining secrecy around what I saw, we can now afford to make the show. We don't even have to put on a Bible show anymore.
Yippee! Now we get to use expensive school printers to make the posters.
Yes. Oh, what's a printer?
Come on, you guys. Get the show on the road.
Now that looks like a puppet theater.
Hi, Jakob.
What are you doing here?
Well, I know it's been difficult and all for you guys ever since you lost your El Presidente to injury. That's Latin for president. So I decided that you guys needed a legitimate puppeteer to look up to. You know, I've done so many puppet shows at CSUN that it's basically in my blood. Yep, I've come a long way since glue jobs and basic orange felt. And when I learned Henson Stitch, boy, that changed everything. Still haven't seen any of the Muppet stuff, though.
Help! Help! Somebody help!
Everybody freaks out when I say that. I mean, where do you even start the series? The Muppets Take Manhattan?
Get out of our club, you fiend!
And your dumb fucking puppet, too.
Hi.
That. His puppet did that.
What?
That's suspicious. How'd you know Jacob did?
God told me. Puppet God. Now get out of our club, Jacob, before I tell everybody your favorite book in the Bible is Numbers.
I like numbers.
What do you mean? That's preposterous. It's fake news. I'm a CSUB alumni. We famously hate the Bible.
Get out. Get out!
God, you Northwich students are such babies. You guys are just jealous that our mascot is a shark named Elby.
Book 4. Puppet Showcase.
Diana's here! That's a lot of people. It's only like 5. Well, that's more than I've ever performed to before.
Diana looks so beautiful. Psst.
RCSUN Puppet Appreciation Club. The day is here. It's been a long week of prep leading up to the show, but I think we're finally ready. Remember, Diana needs this. Once she sees this show, she's gonna be inspired to heal faster and come back to the club.
I don't think that's how healing works.
That's how I heal and now.
For Diana!
For Diana!
Because God told me to!
Oh.
Alright, Act 1. Now, I know we had some issues with it in practice, but now that we got the audio fixed, I think we'll do great. I did have some notes on...
Cristo, wake up! What's going on? Wake up! Wake up! What's going on? What's going on?
Sorry, guys. The show's starting. Okay. Everybody get into positions. I come in on Act 2, but I gotta go check something really quick. Places, everyone. Places.
Okay. Wait, Look up, you stupid motherfucker.
Ah! I've got contact dermatitis, asshole! Yeah! JJ!
The whole building has security cameras. We have proof. God sees all.
You may have all the proof of the world, but I'll never stop until I get revenge on your stupid puppet club of what it did to me! What it did to my son! Your precious club president Diana nearly killed JJ, aka Jacob Jr. I had to nurse him back to health over weeks! She had to pay. And now that you picked up her stupid torch, you'll pay too!
I'll be back, Cristo Boyle. Just you wait.
Act 2 is starting. Let's go, Cristo!
You guys did amazing. It was so hilarious. I absolutely loved it.
Thank you.
To be honest, I've been kind of going through it. You don't realize how much you need your elbow until it's actually gone. At first, when you guys invited me to the show, I was a little skeptical, but seeing you guys pull through it made the show even more amazing. Once I take my cast off, you guys should polish the show and consider registering for the competition. I think it'll be something really good for you guys.
Group hug! You guys are the best! I want to stay 20 forever!
Next time, Cristo, when we have another show, I'll help with the fundraising.
God, I know you don't usually come out when I pray anymore, but I did it. Diana came to see our play, I stopped Jacob, and I won't be spending eternity in hell anymore.
Hey, man.
God, you came.
I was bored. What are we talking about?
I put on the show and...
Oh, you did it? Cool. So we're basically done here, right?
Done?
Yeah, man. I'm leaving.
Wait, am I saved from going to hell for eternity?
Who said you were going to hell? Don't be so paranoid, Christian.
Dude, you're not going to hell. Let's celebrate.
You know, it's never, hey God, how are you? How's your day been? Everyone always jumps straight to, am I going to hell? Will you flood the earth again? I need a motherfucking vacation.